In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point your domain to Wix. Let's dive in and make this process as straightforward as possible. To start, we need to navigate to the Wix website. Open up your web browser and head over to Home. That's the first stop on our journey. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your Wix account if you aren't already. This will bring you to your dashboard where we'll be doing most of our work today. After you've made it to your dashboard, go ahead and look for the Settings tab. This is usually located in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Give it a click. Now, we're poised to manage a variety of functions associated with your site, with domain settings being our main interest today. In the Settings menu, you'll need to type Domain into the search bar at the top of the page. This will promptly filter your options to show anything related to domains, making it easier for us to find exactly what we're looking for. Once you've typed it in, click on the option for Domains. Here, we're getting closer to making the connection between your domain and your Wix site. Next, it's time to enter the specific domain you want to point to Wix. Go ahead and type your domain name into the provided field and hit Enter. This ensures that you've correctly identified the domain you wish to use, streamlining the process by getting straight to the point. Following this, you'll want to confirm ownership of your domain. A prompt will appear asking if you own this domain. Click on Yes, I own this domain. At this juncture, it's important to mention that connecting a domain requires a Wix premium account. If you don't yet have a premium account, you'll need to upgrade at this point. Wix provides an upgrade path directly from this screen, and the process is quite user-friendly. Once you've selected your domain and confirmed your ownership, the subsequent instructions on your screen will guide you through pointing your domain to Wix. Depending on your domain registrar, the process might slightly vary. While Wix will offer tailored steps for most providers, the basic idea involves updating your DNS settings. This typically means configuring the name servers or the A records to point to Wix servers. Make sure to save any changes and bear in mind, it might take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate. That's a wrap on pointing your domain to Wix. Once everything is set and the changes take effect, your domain will seamlessly redirect to your stunning Wix site. If you encounter any issues along the way, Wix's support resources are incredibly helpful, or you're welcome to drop a question below. Thanks for watching and happy site building.